Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will share my experience with this website called Price Rebel, where you can earn points for cash and rewards. Now I will show you the current time. So as you can see, the current time is 12:02 AM midnight 31 August 2019. So I'm showing this current time because in this video my main aim is to prove that this is a 100% legit website by redeeming a reward live. So let's get started by going to my account and signing in. I'm not a robot verification. Now after that, click verify and sign in. So I'm inside my dashboard. It's been crowded with lots of ways to earn points that can be later converted to points. So I'm just scrolling through it. You will be able to understand what is this all about after signing in. There is many ways to earn, like offer walls, videos, video wall, inviting friends, and etc. And I'm doing this video to show that this is 100% legit website with the payment proof. In the end of the video you will see that. So as you can see, I have lots of surveys today. My points, I have 522 points. There are many options to choose, and I'm clicking the rewards page to check out what all rewards I have. And you can see the cost. The cost is represent the points. You can exchange points for these rewards, and many rewards are there. So I'm just choosing a random one for redeeming today, which is a PayPal a $5 gift card worth 500 points. So $5 PayPal money. As you can see, it is 500 points. It is the cost of this PayPal money. I'm clicking the claim this button. Now you have to enter your PayPal email address and click update PayPal email. We'll see a message, are you sure you want to claim this price? Click OK. Now I have requested for the PayPal reward. So you can see 24 hours it will be processed in after 24 hours. So if you're a Gold Plus member, you will reward will be instant. So now I am a bronze point. If you earn more points, you will be able to go to silver, then gold. You can check out using the top level bronze level page. There you can see. So as you can see, now I have redeemed 500 points for $5 PayPal money. Now status is pending. The next day I will show you. The next day is here, and I'm going to show my payment proof from Price Rebel. So now I'm going to show you the current date and time of today, so you will know whether I received the payment within 24 hours or after 24 hours. So as you can see, now Sunday 1st September, I redeemed the reward on 31st August midnight 12 AM. Now it's 11:51 AM on 1st September 2019. Now I'm going to log into my PayPal account. So you have to enter your email address and password for logging into PayPal. Now it's logging in. So as you can see, I have received a payment at 12:15 a.m. That means 12:15 a.m. means midnight. That is on September 1st. As you can see, the timing 1st September 2019 at 12:15 I got the payment. After 24 hours I got the payment as said in the website. It was paid by iAngel IC, the payment, and it has the website there. The customer note also is there, price rebel, PayPal reward. I blurred the email addresses. So as you can see, it's a note from PayPal, no, price rebel, PayPal reward. So I'm going to back to my rewards history. It's success. As you can see, I have received no payment. The status is payment completed. And you can also earn points by referring your friends. I'm giving the my referral link below the description. You should join so I can check out if you are interested to join this website. Have many banners for promotion. You can use it for promotion. So thanks guys. If you understand what is this website, you'll be able to earn some money for and rewards also from this website. You will get a unique link for offering your friends also. I'm putting my link below. If you would like to join, please join the website and get some money. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.